Sup? Chat, will be playing Paper Ayo 2. It's actually a good game. You guys should download Paper Ayo 2, bro. It's actually, you know, it looks boring, but it's actually really fun. Trust me, it's really fun, this game. Let's see, Jai, let's see. What is it? What? What the fuck? Oh! Yo, chat, this thing was like, it was like a, I'll show you guys, why is this so expensive? Like, there was like a, like, it was very rare. It was like for the, like, you know, wait. You know this thing, bro? It was like this. It was like money, but you had to pay money for this. Yo, why is my game laggy? Chat, why is my game laggy? If I die, I end the video, chat. What a noise, chat. We've all got that boss. Chat, I am the desert. I'm MJ. Hello. Enter party. Spam, chat, spam. Chat, I'm the king. Oh, bro, there's one back. What to rail, bro? Double tap? What does this do? Let's go to someone that started with. Yo, what was that? Again, bro revived. How many of you play Roblox? Comment down below. Hey, you came in the wrong direction, bro. Lightweight, huh? No, my game's laggy. No, my game's so laggy. New? What do you mean new? Oh, I'm out of money. Oh shit. What's this thing do? Not? Nah, get out. Not gonna lie, it's actually kind of good. It defends. Actually, better than the splash paint. Oh yeah, I died before. So I'm ending the video. Bye bye. Have a good time. Let's first again one more time. Then we'll end. You see these things on Appa's hand? Boom, 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 boom. Like guns or something. My game. No. As I promised. End stream. Bye, guys. Bye.